hear that? That's the sound of one package after another embarking on a journey. Each package represents a successfully completed order and hopefully a satisfied customer. Indeed, there are many clever management theories on what really drives an enterprise. Instead of all that, we have more than 70 years of day-to-day business under our belt.
My
father sent me off to Düsseldorf for 2 weeks while I was still doing my apprenticeship and told me, off you go, get selling. As a young boy, that was quite a challenge, approaching new customers.
That's what it was like back then, as a small screw business with just 2 sales reps at first and maybe 20 packages per day. Today, things have changed a bit. Indeed, we've expanded considerably and continue to expand even further. But we grew up in a more tactile environment, with screws, anchors, hand tools, and power tools, fittings, workwear. Our customers tell us when and where we're needed. That keeps us grounded.